welcome back to the channel, guys. So it's looking unlikely. As you can see from the counter, we have less than a week. Half an hour less than a week, to be precise. So yeah, still got a bit to do. I have no final drive, no rear suspension, and no swing arm extension. So gonna keep trying, keep going, but looks like we're gonna MOT the Thruxton. But anyway, back on the build. So you will either have just seen, or you're going to see now, somewhere down here, my latest creation. So I have put together a small tail tidy unit which will mount onto the bike. So you can see here I've got two very neat button head bolts there, and this unit just drops up underneath, bolts to them, and then the number plate will be mounted off this and the indicators off these ears on the side, which facilitates me to use the same indicators I've got on the front. So these, just waiting on a couple of little spacers, just step them out, and a new number plate. So that's that and where we've got to. And then what I have here is a Apico, don't know how you pronounce that, but spring loaded chain guide and tensioner. Also got to run the suspension being so jacked up, I need to run the chain slacker than you normally would. And I've seen one of these installed on a Bonneville, and my intention at the moment, you can see here, I've installed two slightly longer bolts in for the footrest hanger. This is only temporarily mounted, but essentially the pivot for this will be mounted on the lower bolt, and then the upper bolt will be used as the kind of tension holder for the spring that's included. So that's the job that needs doing, but obviously that will be in parallel to whatever happens with the swing arm to get the geometry correct. So what next? Oh, there's a box. Let's have a look at that. So, I wonder what might be in here. Be very careful with this blade. I mean, you never know. It might be in the title of the video, but I haven't decided yet. I might do this portion as a separate video as well. So this is something I didn't order this. I didn't pay for it. For total transparency, it's something I've been interested in, spoken about, and then a very kind member of my family decided to place the order. Let's see what's in the box though. I'm gonna bring you over. Lots of packaging. So we open these. Let's see. Hepco and Becker. So these are small little bags, and then in here This is going to be a fitting kit. And this. Oh, on there. There. Let me just get these. Get this box out of the way, and we'll have a closer look. So, all bagged up, box out of the way, and how good do they look? So what we got here is 2 liner bags, which are over zipped there to drop within, and move those out of the way. This is the Hepco and Becker rugged luggage units, 24 litres I believe each one, and very nice indeed they are. Just drop the seat on temporarily. And then work out the rail kits for fitting these. Got to come up with something for the rear, obviously, because I've chopped the bike, but essentially they're going to be very nice. There we have it, guys. We have luggage for the bike. They will also fit the Thruxton, so if we end up going on that, we will be using these regardless. But yeah, a few things to sort out on the bike. Stuff that you've already seen is done, obviously. I'm going to pull the wheel out for the next episode, which will then allow me to put the spacer in that's been spun up and fit the brake disc. So if I come across as a bit downbeat on this, guys, I really want to take this bike and put a lot of effort in, and I'm not so sure it's going to get there. But yeah, there's still 6 days and 23 hours and 23 minutes, so possibly, but I'm not holding out much hope. You know what, guys? Scratch that. This bike is going. We're going to go on the Scrambler. One way or another, I'll get this finished. I've got an idea for extending the swing arm if we don't get the parts for it. I'm going to have a cut-off of Wednesday for that. So if this doesn't occur by Wednesday, on Wednesday evening, Thursday evening, I will chop this swing arm and come up with something. So I need to crack on. I've got to get a few bits done, so this is going to be the end of this video. Thanks for all your support. Hope you like the luggage. Click like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Your support is amazing and definitely needed right now. I'm going to get some beer in stock. I'm going to get well fed, have loads of snacks down here, and if I have to live in here to get this bike finished, that is what I'll do. Yeah. Also, picture here, this is Luke's 125 in its current state, so I've got to rewire that over, well, yeah, do some rewiring on that over the course of this week as well. And he's working away, so doing that on my own. So yeah, I'm going to get the back wheel out and sort the brake disc, get that all fitted up, ready to go, and wiring for the indicators and that sort of thing. So that'll be the next video, and if you please click subscribe and we get to 300 subscribers, then we're going to hit the start button. Now the bike has developed a bit of a leak from the primary cover, I've got the gasket on the shelf, so the oil I've put in I need to drain back out, fix that, put the oil back in, and then we can hit the start button. So yeah, it's all on you guys really, and I'll get this finished for Friday, maybe. Thanks guys, click like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, comment below, keep sending your love, and take it easy.